Hey guys. All right, this is our ABC writing tablet, page 25 and 26, working on the letter L. And this one's pretty easy. It is for the capital L. For the lowercase l, it is a pull down. All right, so let's go ahead and try this up here. So our lowercase l is going to be between the in the upstairs and the downstairs. Pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. All right, our capital L is going to also be in the upstairs and the downstairs, but it's going to have a push across the floor. Pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across. All right, L is for lamp and lion. And let's trace the L. Pull down, push across, pull down. Let's flip over on the back. All right, let's try it again. Our lowercase l's are in the upstairs and the downstairs. Pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. Our uppercase l's are in the upstairs and the downstairs, but it also has a push across the bottom. Pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across. Let's trace the capital and lowercase l's on the lamp. Pull down, push across, pull down. All right, guys.